Saya tadi cemai, saya banyak tante. Handsome mind, handsome body. We should clean our body every morning and clean our mind every morning too, then become healthy. Everyone should take care of our body and take care of our mind together if we would like to be healthy. Healthy mind, healthy body, or cantik banyak ganteng. Food is good for body, but if we eat too much, not good. Food for the mind means emotion. Many emotions, hatred emotion, angry emotion, worry emotion, if we think about again and again, that emotion embedded, maintained through the body and through the mind. If we think, worry about in the future too much, or worry about in the past too much, make our mind very sad. So we clean our mind by saying Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. This the tool for clean our mind. The same, we take a shower in the morning with soap, and then body without dirty, we feel happy. The same as we chanting in the morning, the same some people chant in the morning, hello, morning, wake up. You should wake up morning and then sleep again. In the morning. then I wake up at 3:30 after I do meditation by walking first. Walking, because for awakening, after walking, I suppose for 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and then come to sit. When I sit, I say Buddha inside, Buddha, not force it, just natural. Breathe in, out. Just notice it. Notice breathe in and out. Like this. For what? For concentrate. Not thinking in the past, not thinking in the future, just present. Present. Breathing in, out. In and out. That means you remind yourself, what are you doing now? You doing meditation, you must concentrate your breathing out, breathing out. When you breathing out, in, out like this, you concentrate your mind, more and more you concentrate. And then you increasing the power push your mind become peace. When you become peace, you're feeling soft or look like fly on the sky. That means not attach our body, but the mind in through the body. I mean invisible body, or we can't see that body. The same, we sleep without mindfulness. we can't feeling anything. Everyone sleep at 10 or 11 o'clock in the night time. When you sleep, you not think to feeling body. That means the mind without contact of body, but it go to invisible body. Meditation needed to push the mind into invisible body and to feeling soft. That means peace inside. If you can, but practice again. Some people cannot control the mind, then fail to sleep. Like this means without consciousness or mindfulness or state. If you can control, you stay still, stand, walking or sitting. You can control your body. Like this, that means you have mindfulness to control your mind and control your body together. So we need practice for more consciousness, more concentrate about mind. More consciousness means sati bala. Sati bala means more power. But we should practice again and again. The same we start at school, we say A, many times, 1 million times. And then A invented means stay in the mind. When we would like to use A, it's automatic coming. And you writing immediately A. That means A stay in our mind. The same in the morning. Monks chant already. And Ante Seri say, siap makan. I don't know siap makan. But now I know siap makan means come here to eat. Siap makan. That means I listen, I recording the word to say siap makan. I remember, I can use it. Siap makan, I know, come here. The same say Buddha, again. More power increasing. Remind you what to do, that to do this, to do that. The mindfulness will remind you. The same you say, sak makan. No, you should say siap makan. You pronounce is wrong, not right. You should say siap, not sak. Sak is a different meaning. Siap makan. Okay, siap makan. Come. That is why we say Buddha, for awake, for accumulate power. More and more you get good power. That good power control your mind. Not thinking in the past, bad past, or thinking in the future. Just put in the present. Because the present means middle way. The present is the middle way. Breathing in cannot score. Oh, you are good, you are bad. No, cannot. You just breathing in, out, like this means the present. Or the clean up the mind. Become clean, and become ready. Banyak cantik, banyak ganteng. That's it. Okay. And be blessing in Pali language. Blessing. I think thinking the good things to family angel or the ghost. We do merit for all of you. Be healthy, be happy, be lucky. Yeah. ทาวาริวหาปุราภิรุณติสากรังเอวเมวัยโตดินังเปตานังอุปกัปปติอิชิตังปัจจิตังตุมหังคิปะเมวะสุวิชตุสัพเพปุเรนตุสังกปาจันโทปนรโสยะถามณีโชติรโสยะถาสัพพิติโยวิวัชชันตุสัพพะโรโควินาศตุมาเตภวัตวันตรายโยสุขีติกายุโกภวะอภิวาทนาสิริสนิจังวุฒาภจายโนจัตตารธรรมาวัฏฐันติอายุวันโนสุขังภาลังทะโกธนวัฒโกสิริวัฒโกยสวัฒโกภาลวัฒโกวันนวัฒโกสุขวัฒโกโหตุสัมภทาทุกขโรคาพยาเวราโสกาสัตตุจุปัฏฐวานิกาอันตรายาติวินาสันตุจเตจัสสะจยสิทธิธานังลาภังโสทิภคยังสุขังภาลังสิริอายุจวันโนจะโพคังมุทิจยสวาสตวัสสาจะอายุจะชีวสิทธิภวันตุเตภวตุสัพพมังคลังรักขันตุสัพพเทวตาสัพพพุทธานุภาเวนัสสทธาโสทิภวันตุเตภวันตุสัพพมังคลังรักขันตุสัพพเทวตาสัพพธัมมานุภาเวนัสสทธาโสทิภวันตุเตภวตุสัพพมังคลังรักขันตุสัพพเทวตาสัพพสังฆานุภาเวนัสสทธาโสทิภวันตุเต
Jakarta Watbhuddhametta Indonesia
บ่ทันได้เว้า
สุปฏิปันโน
ราสุขชีวิตโน It's today 22 December 2022 It's with หลวงพ่อเจ้าคุณfrom Chiang Mai It's for the blessing and the monk 10 monk today Same like it สันได้เอาหน่อยดิประเคนไหม ย่าโอ้ยคิวนี่ปวดหัวนี่เด็กข้าวเหนียวก็ได้นี่ข้าวเหนียวไม่เกี่ยวความท่านเอาแม่ไปเสียวมาเดี๋ยวนี่หลานไปรถเอาไปฮัดเฮ็ดมันเลยเดี๋ยวมันถึงง่วงเลยis Buddhametta Arama and the old monastery of from near 40 years in near central of Jakarta Lembang Terusan Street ฮะ
อันนี้เห็ดบริตุงเด้อ
เฮ็ดบริตุง
มาจากเกาะบริตุง
บางกาบริตุงเนี่ย
จักสิว่าจังได๋
อันนี้อีหยังก็เอิ้นซาญูอีหยังข้าวต้มบ่อีหยังนี่ก็ตัววิหาราบันเตคำไส้ The old monk in of Indonesia โอเคมีอีกาพร้อมด้วย